Investigators say as many as 20 more people may have been involved in a child sex trafficking ring in Bibb County. This new information comes as 7 people already charged in the case appeared in court today. CBS 42's senior reporter Amy Hybels reports.
This morning, 7 of the 8 defendants were arraigned. Assistant District Attorney Brian Jones says those 7 entered not guilty pleas. This afternoon, Sarah Terrell, Olivia Elam, and Rebecca Brewer, seen here leaving the courthouse, declined to comment on camera. Ricky Terrell, followed by William McElroy, Dalton Terrell, Andre Trejo Velasquez, and Timothy St. John were also videotaped getting into the van to return to the jail. 5 of the 7 had an Aniah's Law hearing to determine if they would be eligible for bond. The judge has denied their request for bond. All 8 are facing similar charges, including rape, sodomy, human trafficking of a minor, sexual servitude, kidnapping, and sexual torture. The alleged abuse took place in this storm shelter in Brent. The defendants in this case are being tried on similar charges and what the state calls accomplice liability. ADA Brian Jones explains.
Rarely do you have rapes and sodomies that fall under the complicity and the accomplice liability, but in this particular case, they were all involved in some degree to the abuse and to the rapes and sodomies and human trafficking and everything involved.
Bibb County Sheriff's Office investigator Justin Hobbs testified for the prosecution during this afternoon's Aniah's Law hearing. He said there were 10 victims ranging in age from 2 to 15, and that co-defendants described the drugging process of children involving GHB and ecstasy. In addition to the 8 defendants, Hobbs says they have information on about 15 to 20 others who came into the bunker to have sex with children. He said they haven't determined who the money was paid to. Now, the judge has placed media restrictions on what attorneys are allowed to discuss in this case. We were told that they can only talk about process. Reporting in Bibb County, I'm Amy Hybels, CBS 42 News.
Well, coming up next, we'll check in with